We will solve a question on subnetting topic. Find number of subnets and number of hosts in each subnet. So this is the question. So this is a class C network. In a class C network, the default subnet mask is 255.55.0, right? But here we see that there is a 128 here in the fourth octet. There are 8 bits in this octet from 0 to 7. And if you do 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7 gives you 128. From 0 to 7 the bits are arranged like this 1 followed by 7 zeros. So this is your 2 to the power 0th position and this is your 2 to the power 7th position. So what we are observing is that one bit is being reserved for fixed as 1 in the host from the host part, right? One bit is fixed from the host part, right? These bits can vary, right? These 0 bits can vary from whether they can vary from 0 to 1, but this 1 is fixed. Total number of bits in this, that is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 1. So this will come out as 25, right? But the default number of bits are how many? This is 8 ones, 8 ones, 8 ones and 0. That is 24. So number of subnet bits is 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Right? So one number of bit is there in the subnet, right? So number of subnets is equal to 2 to the power 1, that is 2 subnets, right? One will have the value as 1 and another will have the value as fixed as 0. So 0 and 1, there are only 2 values in the binary, so you can make 2 subnets out of 1 bit. So number of subnets is equal to 2. And number of hosts in each subnet. How can you find the number of hosts in each subnet? If you want to find the number of hosts in each subnet, then look at the number of bits which can be varied in the host, that is 7 bits. And from 7 bits, the number of hosts is 2 to the power 7, that is 128 host. But 2 host addresses are reserved. The first one is reserved for network part and the last one is reserved for the direct broadcast address. So you can reduce the 128 minus 2, that is usable addresses. Usable addresses are only 126, right, in each subnet. So if you found the content useful, then don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel for further continuation of these videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.